Hi, my name is Henriette from Pro Strings. I am practicing today the Diminished 7th starting on B, which is currently set for grade 7 by the Associated Board. I have a few pupils taking that exam and this video is for them, but if you are working towards that same goal, then feel free to practice it with me as well. So we're going quite slowly. I'll play it through first and then I'll talk you through and we'll practice little bits. Okay, here we go. Now I think for most people that first octave, this bit, won't cause too many difficulties. So I'm going to start on the B, which is the first finger on the A string, and I'm just going to practice my shifts first. So I'm starting here on this B. And then most people will find this one of the hardest shifts in this diminished 7th. So I'm playing 1, and I do that a couple of times over until you think, yeah, now it's getting easier, I'm getting used to what that distance is like. And then you can carry on and try the same thing in the shift that is a little bit higher. So I'm now starting on the B here. You see, I'm going over that a couple of times, up and down, and feel free to stop this video at this point and do it a few more times on your own before you then continue with me. But practicing these shifts will make a huge difference to the overall playing of this diminished 7th. When we're up here, make sure that your thumb is nicely in the corner here. You want to let it go round there to be able to get up there quite so high. So I'm picking up the third B again. So this is the top octave. Now, many people find this a really awkward range to play in on the violin, and that's understandable because we don't play here every day. Hopefully, by the time you're grade 7, you've spent quite a good deal of time in this range on the violin, but I can totally understand if you still feel a little bit apprehensive about going up so high. So that's why we're staying here for quite a little bit longer. So just to get used to that, and I'm playing it up and down a couple of times. Now you might have a look at your bow as well here. You want to come quite close to the bridge with your bow. Because your string is only so short, you want to bring the bow proportionately much closer to the bridge to get the same quality sound. So you want to really experiment with that a little bit in your practice. Check also that your bow's not going sideways like that, but that you push your arm forward so that you get a nice straight bow. And then we'll practice it one more time and then we'll go down and practice the shifting going down. You see, I'm going over it again and again, and you will find that after a while, again, you'll find this less daunting than it was at first. So I'm going back to here. For those of you who've learned to play an auxiliary note, this is my auxiliary. might well make it a little bit easier for you just to play that first finger before you then get down. Here's another shift, which is an awkward one because you're shifting back to the second position. So you're going here from the fourth position. And with an auxiliary note, you go to a G. Here's another one, second to first position shift. I hope this has helped. Any comments? Welcome. You're welcome to write them down below. Do subscribe to this channel and visit us at www.programstrings.com.